So hey guys, how's everyone? So today I'm just going to do a little update video. I don't know if you guys have heard this or not, but I wanted to share it with you. It's about the 3G network that's going to be terminated, or actually already is, which can affect your guys' HondaLink, especially if you guys have like the security or concierge services that you guys sign up for. So, and the reason I'm doing this because I just got an email actually about it saying that I haven't done it. So it's saying that on February 22nd, so about a month and a half ago, Honda terminated the 3G network. And it said, so right now the vehicle needs an over-the-air software update so that they can work on the LTE network. So, and it says a lot of this stuff is important security services like the emergency call and automatic collision notification. So it'll call the emergency services if you get in a car accident, that kind of stuff. And as well as the convenient concierge services will no longer function if you don't do that update. So like if you use it for remote start and that kind of stuff, that won't work either. And then here's the deadline. It says if you don't complete it by August 22nd, 2022, so this year, the remote commands and Amazon Alexa skill will also not function anymore. And if you do it before August 22nd, all you have to do is go to your infotainment screen, and it should say where on the right-hand corner of the icons, unless you moved them around, but it'll be the system update, and there should be a number by it. If there isn't, click into it, and sometimes it will initiate it, but there should be 2 updates available to do. And the most important thing is if you don't do it before August 22nd, it's saying the only way you can get this service back is you have to go to a Honda dealer, and it says you have to purchase a new embedded cellular device. So all I see when I read that is it's going to cost probably quite a bit of money if you want that. So if you're using the HondaLink, like subscription packages that they have, and you haven't done the update yet and you don't want to lose those, do it before August 22nd of this year. And like I said, it's very easy to do. There's 2 system updates. The first one's about 5 minutes to install. The second one takes about 17 to 20 minutes is what they're saying. Okay, so it's important when you do this kind of stuff to park your car in an area where it's going to get good signal for sure, because if it isn't, it'll sometimes fail or freeze. So it's saying on here, if you receive an update failed message, make sure the car is in a good connection or connect to Wi-Fi and then try it again. And I've had that happen before on one of my cars that I had to move the car out to get a better signal because it would keep freezing in the same spot too. So something to think about. So like I said, I don't know if you guys are aware of it. It's been out for a while, so I'm sure a lot of you have already done this. But like I said, I got an email actually about it today telling me it hasn't been done. So I don't have those services. I don't pay for anything like that. But I mean, it's something to think about if you do have it or you want to get it. All you have to do is, like I said, it's already in your infotainment system. Just push the button, let your car sit there until they're done. And like I said, it shows here that there's 2 of them available. Because like I said, after August 22nd, you have to go to the dealer and pay money to have it done. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you are using those services and you like them and you haven't done the update, definitely take care of it. And I guess Honda extended it too, because they were going to make it so after February 22nd, then you had to go to the dealer. But I think there's a lot of backlash for that. So now they're giving you until August 22nd. So they gave you some more time to get it done. And then after that, supposedly, then you have to go to the dealer. So like I said, easy fix to do. Just go in your system. Even if it doesn't have the little icon showing that there's an update available, what I've seen in my own car is sometimes you click that and then it'll come up saying update available. So don't just go on if there's a little icon saying that there's a update that you need. Sometimes it doesn't show up for some reason. So click into that, and if you're all good, it'll say when you click into it, system up to date on the screen. So just definitely double check just to make sure you don't want to be left, like I said, if you're paying for that, having something that doesn't even work. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, hope everyone's doing good out there. Have another video coming up very shortly. So definitely stay tuned. I have a big one coming up for you guys. A lot of you probably already know because of the videos I've been posting. But I appreciate the loyalty. I really do. I appreciate all you guys, the comments. It's enjoyable to be part of this group. I can't wait to continue this. So again, definitely keep checking back and stay tuned. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.